Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the Secgo California King 100% cotton quilt set. This oversized green bedding set provides breathable cooling comfort for a restful sleep throughout the year. You get a massive 120 by 110 inch reversible bedspread and 2 matching patchwork pillow shams. The soft, naturally grown cotton feels like a cloud while effectively absorbing sweat during the night. Its lightweight design ensures you stay warm in winter and perfectly cool during the summer months. Cleaning is effortless because the dense stitching and quality fabric are completely safe for your washing machine. Enhance your home decor today with this elegant comforter set that brings luxury and serenity to your bedroom. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.